Hi guys, welcome to Femi's Desserts View YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching how I always achieve cutting up my cake slice for my desserts nicely and plating it beautifully to the appealing eyesight of my guests. Okay, so for desserts especially, so for you to get your desserts plated nicely, you'll be needing a very nice plate like this. It may not be this, it could be smaller, but for the purpose of this class I will be using this. It's ceramic. You'll be needing chocolate syrup, it could be caramel or whatever syrup. This is just to add some beauty to the ice cream and then sides of the plate too. You'll be needing the spoon, of course, to serve it. That is if you're out catering. Ice cream, the ice cream scoop already dipped in warm water. That is the effective way to get your ice cream scoops leaking out of the ice cream scoop. Like if you need it to come out easily without you having to heat it before coming out, you need to put it in a warm water dish like this. Put it in, so by the time you want to take it out, you just take it out with 1 or 2 strokes and then just lift it directly into the bottom of the plate. So first off, before I work with the ice cream, I will first teach how I normally cut up nicely. Now this is the full sheet of the cake I'm using here. This is the Coca-Cola cake. I have the recipe already posted. You can always watch for reference purpose. You can check my channel for that, for your enjoyment and public viewing. Then I cut out just a strip of it now just to illustrate this, so definitely I won't be needing all of this. So I have this already, so just make sure to know that anytime you want to cut up your slices, you are going to be needing a very long serrated knife, because this helps you to get all the angles easily and to make sure that you don't have breaks in between when you're cutting. So that way you just need to cut straight and easily, and then it comes out clean. So for today now, I will just cut off the excess I have by the sides. Before you cut off your slices, it applies to any kind of dessert you're working with. You would first cut off any excess you see by the side. It doesn't have to be this large. I'm just showing you this. So when you take that out, for every cut you have, always ensure to have it wiped off a clean napkin. As seen here, I already made this damp, so it comes out clean again. And then if you're working with an 8-inch pan, for instance, now it's going to give you 16 sizable sizes of cake squares that you can serve effectively at your event. Okay, so this is going to give me more than that, definitely, because this is longer than an 8-inch square pan. This is about a 9x13 rectangle tray that is used to make a sheet of cake. So at this point now, I already cut this side now, so this is supposed to give me 4 equal sizes, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be cutting just one, just to show you guys. So because it's the same approach for all of this. So at this point I'm just going to eyeball it, and then see, just get your knife. Make sure your knife is damp. If it's not damp, it wouldn't glide in easily over the cake, and then you have litters most likely, and the cut might not be very neat. So here you have this. Make sure your hands are steady and straight, and you just give it one single cut, okay, as seen, and then you move it away a bit so that you don't have to, and you take it out. So after you do that, now you can either lift it off with your knife, with another knife, or just, if it's a bigger cake slice, you can either just lift it off with a palette knife, the one that has like a flat plate, or you can just leave it like this. This is what it looks like if you have a clean pot. Okay, so then I will just be gently placing this. Make sure your dish is very clean every time. So just place it at the center, depending on the effect you want. Either it's like this or it's like this, but whatever the case is, ensure that your angles are right. See this right here now, sitting nicely. So before I plate on it with the ice cream, whatever aesthetics or design I want to put on it to give it an enhanced look or like a premium look, I will just simply achieve this using this kind of, so even if you are making your homemade chocolate sauce or syrup, you would always need to transfer it into a bottle that has a pointed nozzle like this, so that it will be easier for you to achieve any effects that you want to achieve with the plating. Okay, aside from you just using spoon, there's a spooning effect as well, so it depends on what you want. For today, I'm just going to be giving you about 4 to 5 unequal dotted patterns on the plate, and then I'll go ahead to add the ice cream and drizzle on it as I'm just very lightly. Do you understand? And that'll be okay. So let's come down with me. So now I'll go. When you are plating like this, it's always better to work first with the smallest dot, and then it increases as you're going. So this is the first dot here. See what I'm doing? Just goes like this. For everyone, you clean the nozzle, and then I'll go to the, give it about ½ inch. Make it bigger than the first one. Go again. Typically, when I'm plating on my cakes, I necessarily don't always know a design to do. I just use my creative mind, and oftentimes it always comes out nice. So after this, going like this now, I'll just drop one like this, press it down again, and lift it out like this. So, and then to further give that leafiness, you just come here. Don't forget to always clean the teeth, and then just give it another one here, small one this time around, and then another one can come here. So there we have it for that. So you can imagine, even without you serving this particular option with ice cream, if you present this to your clients at an event, I think it looks already very appealing. Okay, so let's go ahead to add the ice cream at this point, and let's see what that turns out to be. So now this is the spoon, ice cream scoop. So when you want to draw out your ice cream scoop, you have to work from the opposite side. You can't just take it anyhow. You move from, no matter the size of the dish or the bowl, you need to work from the end of the opposite side, or the side directly in front of you like this, and you just simply run it through like this. If you're not satisfied with the shape it has given you, just simply dip the spoon back into the water, and then repeat the process, should in case you even want a bigger scoop like I want here now. So see why I didn't let that sit for a while. So now I just go ahead to pour it in the tray. So after doing that, I will just, okay, so I'll then go ahead to use this as an extra garnish on the ice cream, just simply by going in 1 or 2 strokes like this over the ice cream. This. Good. After that, get your cutlery. You can put it close to the cake. That's what I do. You can even insert it inside, just in case you're scared of it falling off. But for the purpose of this, I'm just leaving it by the side, like this. Listen. So guys, this actually tastes very good. So the cake, so is all about it, right? The ice cream is already melting because it's actually a very soft textured ice cream, so makes the melt in the mouth idea, a lot more exciting, right? So till next time, guys, let me go back to eating my amazing dessert here. So I remain your favorite girl. Note that for the ice cream, I'm not particular about any brand here. You can even use your homemade ice cream as seen here. This is homemade, and I haven't even let it sit for so long. I was just eager to try this out, okay? Should in case I had left it a bit longer, it would have been a lot harder. So next time, guys, I remain your favorite girl. Stay close, guys. I'll keep releasing content for you guys to enjoy and learn from. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, share with your friends, and always hit the like button. If you have any reviews or questions or any concerns or anything, just always drop in the comment box. I will respond as soon as I can. Alright, so till next time, I remain your favorite girl. Bye.